In this video, I'm going to show you how to run and create React apps in Visual Studio Code. Now, the first thing you need to do is install Node.js. So we're just going to open up an internet browser and type in node install and then press enter. And you need to click on this top website here, which is nodejs.org. You can then scroll down and you need to click on the Windows installer. Click on the downloads folder and go and install Node onto your computer. Now we can just go through the steps by pressing next, agree to the terms and conditions and press next. Click on next again, click on next, select next again, and then press install. Now once it's been installed, we need to check that this is working correctly. So open up the start menu, go and search for the word terminal and click on this window here. You then need to type in npm space -- version and press enter. Now you may get this error saying that scripts can't be ran on this system. So if you see this message, what you'll need to do is close out of this window, open back up the start menu and search for terminal, and then right click on this window and select run as administrator. We then need to go and paste in the following command, and I'll leave this in the video description so you guys can come and copy and paste this as well. So I'm simply going to paste this in like so and press enter. Once you've done this, you can then type in npm space -- version and then press enter. And as you can see, this should now produce the Node version. So once we've done this, we can close out of terminal, and then we're just going to open up your file explorer, head over to your computer and double click on your C drive. You then need to double click on program files and scroll down until you see Node.js and double click on this. And then you need to come over to the address bar and copy all of this address at the top. You then need to open up your start menu, search for environment and click on edit environment variables. You can then click on this option called path and press edit. You then need to press new and go and paste in the file directory that we just copied. You can then press OK and OK. Now once you've done that, we can launch up Visual Studio Code. And then what we're going to do is create a new project. So I'm going to click on file, click on open folder, and then go and select where you want to save this to. So I'm going to save it on my desktop, and I'm going to create a new folder by right clicking, click on new, and then select folder. You can then give this a name. I'm going to call this React Apps. And once you've named this, you can click on the folder and press select folder. You can then go and click on these 3 horizontal dots and press terminal and click on new terminal. So now what we're going to do is create our React app. Now in the terminal, you need to type in npx space create -react -app space, and then you can just go and name your app. I'm going to call this hello and then press enter. Now if you get this message saying that the command is not recognized, then what you need to do is go and restart your computer. So I'm going to close out of here and I'm just going to restart my computer. Once your computer's restarted, you'll then need to go and type in this command again and press enter, and it will say need to install the following packages. Just type in Y and press enter, and it's actually given me this error because my folder contains a capital letter. So let me just try this again without the capital, and I'm going to call it hello again just without the capital H and press enter. And you could then just wait a few seconds, and as you can see, your project's now being created over in the top left hand side. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.